Howdy out there, YouTubers. Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles in blustery Mount Sterling, Kentucky. A little chilly out, but I've got a great vehicle and I was excited to get a video out on this machine. Wanted to share this with you guys. This is one of our CF Moto, and this is one of their ATVs. It's the C Force 800. Really fantastic looking machine, and I've had the opportunity to take one of these out for a spin, and I tell you, it's absolutely fantastic. This thing is a beast. Let's do a walk around here. You'll notice it's got factory alloy wheels, disc brakes up front. This thing is absolutely awesome. Look at that passenger backrest. For two-up riding, this thing can't be beat, guys. 800cc V-twin. CF Moto actually made 800,000 engines last year, so these guys know what they're doing. This thing comes not only with a receiver, 2-inch receiver standard, it also comes with the receiver hitch. That's a great thing. Take a look there, guys. We got some CV axle guards there, factory standard. Give you a walk around here. Nice profile on this machine as well. That 800cc V-twin pumps out about 65 horsepower, which is not too shabby, guys. Give you a close-up of the front end. Nice aggressive stance on this machine. Winch comes standard from the factory. That's awesome. We got CV guards up front as well. Give you a shot of the suspension here. Got good looking suspension, gas charged, fully adjustable. Hand guards included from the factory. Give you a shot of the digital dash here. They've got a really nice dash on this machine here. Give you a close-up of that. And a couple little features that just add to the nicety of this machine. Here we have a 12-volt power plug, and we have 2 USB ports here. And a feature that those of you who do trail riding will appreciate. We've got a little latch here where you can lock the machine in park, and you don't have to worry about somebody pushing it off and rolling it up into the back of a pickup truck. Good forethought on these folks' part. And let's crank this thing up here and see what she sounds like. And a mild exhaust note from this machine. Guys, come on down here and visit us in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. You can also check us out on the web. Website is www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let us know we're making good videos and you guys appreciate our work here, and we'll keep getting them out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.